All right, so let's take a look at the cut real quick and see how we're doing. That one cut. That one cut. That one did pretty good. Let's take a look over here. Good. All right, we're in pretty good shape. We don't need to make any adjustments. So let's get to it. Hey, what's up everybody? Today is Saturday, August 8th, and today is a mow day. We're gonna talk about my strategy for mowing that I've adopted this week, but before I do that, I wanna see what you guys think about the hat. And the shirt, actually. The hat is a test run. I'm not selling them yet. I wanted to see what they were like. I get a lot of requests for trucker hats, so I'll probably do one of those. This is more of a running hat. It's an Adidas hat. Actually has the Adidas logo in the back. Really like the hat because it's super lightweight, but like I said, not sure how much I love it. I'm gonna run around with it for a little bit and see how much I really do like it. Feel free to leave a comment down below telling me what you think about it, and we may put that out as some merchandise for purchase, and I will definitely give away. I got 12 of these, so I may be doing some giveaways, but for now, I'm just gonna test it out and see what I think of it. The shirt is a different vendor. I like the shirt, but it's a little wonky in the shoulders. Maybe it's just because I'm not exactly a small man, if you know what I mean. Anyway, we'll test that out. Let's talk about mowing. So I've changed my strategy for mowing with the reel on my lawn, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about, especially in the back of the hill. So let's get to it. All right, so as we get to the back of the hill, as you can tell, this is a pretty steep hill right here, and then it tortoiseshells down on that side as well. So the reel on this part of the hill right here does not work for a few reasons. Number one, it's super steep. Number two, the drainage for the condensation for my air conditioner goes out right there. That also causes some problems for me. So what I've adopted this past week was I actually get my rotary, and you can kind of see where it's a little bit scalped right here. I'm getting the rotary right up to about right there because that's where the real steep part comes in, and I'm doing the rotary there. Today, I'm actually gonna do a diagonal pattern that I'm gonna start right back here, and I'm gonna run about the same angle as the way that the hill goes down. This whole week, I have been, and you can kind of see the lines, maybe, right there where it's kind of scalped right there. So I've been doing the rotary on this part of the hill to the very base of the hill down there, and then I reel everything down here. But what I've decided was I'm gonna do that during the week because it's fast. I can get done pretty quickly, and it keeps the grass at the height that I want it. But on the weekend, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna get the reel and do the whole hill, especially since the weekend is when I know I'm gonna do either going this way or going that way down the hill. And that way I get one really nice, clean reel mow. During the week, I mean, I've got a job. I've actually got two jobs because I work for a software company, if you guys don't know that, but I also do real estate, real busy, and the only time I can mow is pretty much in the afternoon. And if I do reel, 3 and 4 days a week, that takes up a lot of time. So I'm gonna rotary during the week, and then I will reel on the weekend. So today is a real day, a real day, and I'm gonna reel mow the lawn today. It is scalped, and that is the part that I'm super unhappy about. And that is because I let it get a little bit too big before I mowed at the beginning of this week. It went about 5 days, which is too long. So it's in the process of recovering from that initial scalp. So it looks worse than it is, but it is super healthy. So stick with me and we'll get it done. Yeah, that hill is brutal. So I'm all done with the front. So tired I don't even know which side I'm on. All done with the back, and now I'm gonna move to the front. That'll be quick. Famous last words, right? So should be quick. But let's move up front. We'll get that done, and then we'll call it a day. All right, folks, well, that's pretty much it for me today. As usual, that hill kicked my backside. That's okay. I'm starting to get the hang of that reel. It's starting to look really nice. I will, though, continue to use the rotary during the week for the sake of time, especially now that the days are starting to get a little bit shorter. I'm just gonna have to get through it a lot faster. But on the weekend, I'm gonna drop in those stripes and it's gonna look great. As for the rotary scissors, quick update on that. I'm really enjoying it. I think that it's doing a great job. The maintenance schedule on that thing is pretty extensive, and I do need to grease it. I don't want to wait for the actual schedule. It says every 10 hours. I'm not going to wait that long to grease it each time. So I'll probably do it before the next time I use it. But it's a great investment. Really enjoying it. It does a great job, and it doesn't rip apart the blades. It does the cutting just like the reel. So I'm very, very happy about that. So anyway, thanks for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to be notified of future videos, don't forget to hit that bell. And we'll see you on the next one.